At the age of like 21, or you can say from 18 to 24, you have to set your own freedom, and you have to look into like what you have to do and what you don't have to do. Okay, today is my interview, and it's not like I haven't prepared for it, but it's like job, a 9 to 5 job is something I don't want to do. Everyone doesn't want to do a 9 to 5 job, except those who like to do coding, who like to do job and discipline and office work, something like that. They like it and they do it also, but I'm not that kind of person. It's like if I get this job today, after this interview, if I get this job, then I will feel like I'm caged, and my freedom will be taken away from me. It's like I will go at 6 in the morning, because the job will start at like something like 8, and I will come back at 8 in the night, and that's not lifestyle. That's something like you are caged, and you don't have something another thing to do. I feel like I can do something more. I can do some other stuff. I am doing my side hustle, but after getting a job, I won't have time to do that side hustle anymore. I think parents should have like counseling sessions, a heart-to-heart counseling sessions when they're with their children, when they are in 11th, when they are in 12th, and when they pass out their 12th. They should know like what the child likes or dislikes, what their children want, and something like that, right? And it's not like I'm blaming the parents. It's like this kind of stuff, this counseling, a heart-to-heart counseling should happen. It's necessary, so that the child doesn't like regret at the age of 25 or after that, or the parent look at their child and they see that their child is happy doing the stuff he wants to do, right? That's the thing I wanted to say today. Bye. I have some other stuff to say, but let's keep it with this today, and bye.